you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a I believe it's a 2020 BMW competition. We purchased the vehicle as a stolen and recovered vehicle. It was missing the wheels and the front bumper. The car was on the ground. We located a set of OEM wheels on Facebook Marketplace and purchased them yesterday. This is going to be our next build. We're pricing out all the parts as we speak. All these coolers in the front that were damaged because the car was laying on the ground. We checked the undercarriage, everything looks good. The vehicle starts and drives as it is. So right now it just needs some cosmetic work. Bumpers, coolers, some brackets, the rocker panel covers. It's a couple scratches here and there. Nothing major. So we'll do a quick walk around video. We should have the car done in a couple weeks. Gonna source the parts. Super nice car. It's being sold with a salvage title. Well, actually, once we fix it, we're going to take it through the inspection process. It'll be a rebuilt title. Let's take a quick look inside. Really nice inside. No airbags deployed because it was a theft. It's a manual transmission. Take a look at the back seats. We replaced the back glass in it also. Take a look under the hood. I can figure out how to open the hood. Where is it? I think I gotta pull the lever again. Yep, it says 2 times. Not 1, 2. Alright, so as you can see, pretty clean under the hood. Nothing missing. Powered by M. Really like the M2 because it has that organic feeling like the older BMW M3s. Not controlled so much by computers. It's got a nice feel to it. We've built one of these before, but this one's pretty nice too. We ordered all these parts new from BMW. As soon as the build is done, we'll update this video. Thanks for watching.